Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your own breathing, in and out. There's no need to change it, no need to force it. Simply allow your awareness to rest upon that natural, life-giving flow, in and out. And there's no need to change it, no need to force it. Simply allow your awareness to rest upon that natural, life-giving flow, in and out. Pastorally, surely, release. Simply allow. You can begin to wherever the fin araudus. You felt some lunder, really out. Schweide, schwelle wide, from moment, no need to melon, far, money, and feel body. You can begin to sanitation that perfects into it. And now, as you breathe in, imagine drawing that feeling into your present moment, breathing it in through your heart, letting it circulate with your breath, warming your blood, enlivening your cells. This feeling of creative flow is a part of you. It is a neurological pathway, a pattern of energy waiting to be activated. And you are activating it now. And every stores with the feeling of creative flow, you link the physical sensation with the inner state. With every gentle pulse of pressure, the feeling grows stronger, more anchored, more available. You can test this anchor now. Release the touch and simply breathe. Then gently press your thumb and finger together again and notice how the feeling returns. Perhaps even stronger, a direct line to your creative source, a switch you can flip, a door you can open whenever you choose. This is your resource anchor, a gift from your mind to your mind. Now we go deeper, allowing the conscious mind to drift like a leaf on a slow-moving stream, and the subconscious mind opens, receptive and ready to integrate new possibilities directly into the neural fabric of your being. I am a being of infinite creativity, and my mind is a vast and fertile landscape where ideas are born from the silence between thoughts. With every breath I take, I draw an inspiration from the universe itself. I exhale limitation and doubt. Creativity is not something I do. It is what my subconscious mind knows exactly how to connect disparate ideas into brilliant new forms. Not might quite. It knows how to weave threads of intuition into tangible visions. And I trust this process completely. I release the need to force, to strive, to to control. I allow creativity to move through me as easily as my blood flows and my heart beats. There is a wellspring of innovation within me that never runs dry. It is deeper than any block, wider than any fear, more persistent than any criticism. Ideas flow to me from a source of unlimited abundance. State put that. They Zepparaphis stoned it. There is always another idea. A better idea. A more fascinating possibility. I am an open channel, and the universe is an endless fountain of inspiration. My hands know how to shape, to write, to build. My voice knows how to convey emotion and truth. My entire being vibrates with the frequency of innovation. Creativity heals me. Creativity energizes me. Creativity connects me to my deepest purpose. I allow my childlike wonder to guide me, that part of me that sees magic in the ordinary, that asks, what if, without fear of the answer. I give myself permission to be unconventional, to be messy, to be brilliantly, authentically strange. My uniqueness is my greatest creative asset. The more I create, the more creative I become. It is a self-replenishing cycle of energy and joy. My creative work touches others in ways I may never fully know, sending ripples of beauty and insight into the world. This is my contribution. Blocks are simply signs that my mind is preparing for a leap. They are the gathering of power before a breakthrough. And I now know how to breathe through them, to be gentle with them, and to anchor into my resource state, transforming resistance into fertile ground. My imagination has no walls, no ceilings, no boundaries. It can travel to the edges of the cosmos and the depths of the soul. Today, I see with new eyes. I listen with new ears. The world is full of prompts, of patterns, of hidden harmonies waiting for me to notice them. My creativity is a loyal friend, a constant companion. It is with me when I wake, it infuses my day, and it visits me in my sleep, planting seeds for tomorrow's revelations. I am a conduit for beauty. I am a translator of the sublime. I am a bridge between the invisible world of ideas and the tangible world of form. And this role fills me with a profound sense of peace and excitement simultaneously. With every project I begin, I am supported by this deep internal well of creative certainty. I know that the answer is within me. The vision is within me. The power to manifest it is within me. Talkbots, ex Stormlight, all I fed discord, I just aware well, and lose. It's me you caps by. The first step is always the most important, and it is always available to me. Now, these affirmations are not wishes. They are declarations. They are commands being received and enacted by the most powerful supercomputer in existence, your own subconscious mind. With every repetition, neural pathways dedicated to creativity, confidence, and flow grow thicker in the days ahead. You'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.